This National Voters Day will be celebrated across the country on this 25th January every year. This year's celebrations come soon after the historic and successful conduct of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the largest democratic exercise in the world. The Election Commission also celebrates 75 years of its dedicated service to the nation. The event celebrating the voters of the country again assumes a grand scale this year in light of the fact that India's total electorate is approaching 100 crore mark, that is 1 billion. This year theme, nothing like voting, I vote for show, is a continuous of last year's theme, emphasizing the importance of participation in the electoral process and encouraging voters to take pride in exercising their franchise. Since 2011, National Voters Day has been observed annually on January 26 to commemorate the foundation day of the Election Commission of India. Established on 25th January, just one day before the Republic Day. This event aims to underline the centrality of the voter and raise electoral awareness among citizens and inspire their active participation in the democratic process. Dedicated to the voters of the nation, National Voters Day also promotes the enrollment of new voters, particularly young individuals who have recently become eligible. Across the country, new voters are honored and presented with their electoral photo identity card during National Voters Day ceremonies. Celebrated at the level of national, state, district, constituency and polling booth wise, National Voter Day stands as one of the country's most widespread significant celebrations. Congratulations to all the new voters. In this occasion, I want to share and tell 2-3 things. First thing, 18 years के बाद में वोट आता है, मगर एनरोलमेंट करते समय अपन 17 इयर्स जिनका कंप्लीट हुआ है वो एनरोलमेंट कर ले सकते हैं। अभी सीईओ ने बोला है कि 1 जनवरी तक जिनका 18 इयर्स कंप्लीट हुआ उन सब लोगों का हम वोटर लिस्ट में इंक्लूड करें। मगर अगर कोई 10 तारीख जनवरी 10 तारीख को अगर 18 इयर्स कंप्लीट होता है तो फिर अगले साल के लिए वेट करना का जरूरत नहीं है। तो अगर अभी उन्होंने एनरोल कर लिया तो अप्रैल 1 के उनका नाम एनरोलमेंट आता है, नया आईडी कार्ड आता है। ऐसे ही किसी का अप्रैल में अगर हुआ 18 इयर्स तो उनका सितंबर 1 को उनका आता। तो उसीलिए ये एनरोलमेंट 17 इयर्स कंप्लीट करने के बाद कोई भी एनरोल कर सकते हैं। जैसा उनका कंप्लीट होता है तुरंत उनका नाम वोटर लिस्ट में आता है।